Hello YouTube! Basically, this is going to be the first of a few cosplay tutorial videos for the London MCM Expo, and for October's London MCM I'll be cosplaying Bridget from Guilty Gear, the game, and I'll be with a group, so look out for us all. So yeah, this is part one of his handcuff, which he wears around his waist, so it's not really a handcuff. And I'll also be doing the dress, the head thing, styling the wig, the yo-yos, and possibly a teddy bear. But probably not, because that'll be a lot to carry around with me. So, have fun watching.